Okay, dear students, let us see how to do this question. In simple harmonic oscillations, which two quantities always have opposite directions? The kinetic energy and the potential energy, well, they do not have directions. They are scalar quantities. Velocity and acceleration, we have to see velocity and displacement, acceleration and displacement. Let us see what is happening here. Although, for the simple harmonic motion, we already know that the fundamental condition for simple harmonic motion is that the body should be undergoing an acceleration which is directly proportional to the negative of displacement. Now, which means that acceleration should be increasing with increasing displacement, but it will always be in the opposite direction with respect to displacement. So this comes only from the fundamental definition of simple harmonic motion, that the answer is D, because acceleration and displacement have always, they must be equal, must be opposite to each other. But let us see, let me explain you what is happening in detail, a little detail. So this is the spring now. Okay, and this is the mean position. So when it goes to the extreme position, so my dear students, be very careful now. There are three things that we are now concentrating on, that is displacement, velocity, and acceleration. So at the mean position, the displacement is zero. When the displacement is zero, the restoring force, that is F is equal to kx, it becomes zero. If the restoring force becomes zero, obviously the acceleration of the body, which was due to the restoring force, obviously that acceleration will also become zero. But what about the velocity? The velocity here, it pertains to the maximum value, that is V naught. So the velocity will be maximum at the mean position. Let us think about the extreme position now. So at extreme position, the x is the maximum value, displacement is maximum, and that is amplitude A. What will be the restoring force? Obviously this will also be maximum, and that will be minus kx anyways, because the force is restoring, the direction of the force will be opposite. So this is the displacement, that is x. So the force will be in this direction. This is the restoring force, which is always in the opposite direction. So the acceleration will also be maximum here, and it will be in the negative direction, opposite direction. And what about the velocity now? So velocity at extreme position will be equal to zero, which is the minimum possible velocity. So these are the two things, and this is how the things are happening here. So when this body moves again, it is now coming back. Let us say it is coming back now, and it is at this position. Still, the force is in this way, and the displacement will still be shown like this only. It will never be in the same direction. So always acceleration is opposite to the displacement. So my dear students, this is Professor Varun. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel. All the best.